The Vivo T5 Pro first surfaced in February in an IMEI database, then in March we got two separate spec leaks, and today the brand is finally acknowledging that this phone exists and is coming soon. Vivo's official X account for India shared the T5 Pro, the ultimate powerhouse. The T5 Pro is revealed to have a 9020 mAh battery. A dedicated Flipkart microsite for the T5 Pro reveals it is 8.25 mm thick, with IP68/IP69 ratings. Featured a 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a claimed 5000 nit local peak brightness. The T5 Pro will become official by mid-April. At the helm is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 SoC, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The phone packed a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto offering 3x optical zoom, also with OIS, and a 2MP auxiliary sensor. On the front, a 32MP shooter handled selfies. The T5 Pro is expected to launch in India with a great price ratio. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.